description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got another one of these, and it looks like there will be even more and more and more. This is the Nongshim, Mira, KPop, Demon Hunters, what have you. And, yeah, it's a really interesting deal with these, because they came out with a set that are just all regular Shin, and they also came out with a set that have, like, there's the Hamburger Queen one, there's like all these different ones, and they look identical except for some text. And I know one guy, a friend of mine, he didn't realize that, and he bought 3 sixers of each one. He's like, I'm lucky I like Shin, but dude, I feel kind of unhappy about that. I'm like, I don't blame you, man. I mean, they came out, I guess, at exactly the same time. So, but I did the same thing. I got these 3, and they're all just Shin. I like Shin, but I mean, I only got 3 of them, and I'll review each one. I don't think they'll taste any different, obviously, but yeah, it's a thing. So let's microwave this sucker. 3 minutes. And away we go. So it is the 29th day of April 2026. Nothing really new going on. You know, still got the war. Things are like stupid. What can I tell you? I mean, it's gonna be May. There's that. Already got hit with one of those. What else? There's a new Star Wars movie coming out, and I want to watch that in IMAX, and I want to have popcorn, and I want to have some kind of cheesy crinkles or something. I don't know. We might be able, if we go see it in the theater, I think we'll probably just go see it in the theater. It's a little expensive to get any treats there. And that's where they make their money. On a film being played at a theater, the theater isn't making a crap load of money off. They're making money on concessions. So if you want to support your local theater, buy a $40 bucket of popcorn. But what was the last movie I saw in the theater? I want to say it was Close Encounters. They re-released it. No, I'm not that old. And no, I mean, I think that came out in 77 or 78. Yeah, no, I wouldn't have remembered that. I would have been far too wee. But I do remember the first film I was taken to when I was a kid. God. My parents took me to a little hole-in-the-wall theater down in Seattle so we could all see Chariots of Fire. And I just remember a lot of people running around. Yeah. I see the soundtrack for that movie at thrift stores quite often. There's Evangelist. Do, 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 do. Yeah, that music really reflects the tunes of the, 1908? Yeah, that makes sense. They should have just had the movie be a silent movie. Maybe you have the music on a Victrola. You know? So I'm going to use a topping today, and probably for the foreseeable next bazillion years, on in my reviews because it's so dang good. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, there's certain things that it just doesn't belong with. This is probably one of them, honestly. Ooh, that's hot. Ow. Ow, my valuable fingers. My fingers do things, ladies and gentlemen. My digits. I don't want digitosis. I mean, it's hot. Digischemia? I don't know. You burn your fingers? What would that be called? Burnt fingers. Isn't there a scientific term? Philangelical? Ouchosis? It's something. The weather got nice though. Yesterday it was cloudy and spitting rain with a breeze. I decided to stay home and work on the house and visit you guys, you know. But today I went out walking, but I wanted to get home, do this, because I got more stuff to do in the house. It's spring cleaning time, you know. Spring. Okay, what do we got here? So much excitement. Just so much. So the counterpart to this one is the Mira Spicy Queen Cup. And the Korean version just seemed like a spicier version of Shin. Cooked well. It's Shin. I mean, so a lot of people think I hate Shin. I don't hate Shin. I like it. For the record, I do like Shin. Is it my favorite? No. But do I like it? Yeah. So what's the deal? Why am I always dogging on Shin? I'm dogging on the fact that people will try it, say that's the best ramen they've ever had, and then that's it. They're done. They're done. They're done. Okay, so there's our Shin. What do we add to it? I'll show you. Gonna add scallion. Oh boy, oh boy. A little bit of ground beef. I know, it's like I'm all of a sudden one trick pony in the ground beef, but it's like so easy to add it in, and on this one it's very appropriate. On the next one I don't know how appropriate that'll be. Oh yeah, we got an egg. Made eggs today, folks. My last 2 eggs. I need to get more eggs. I need to get more eggs. This one didn't do all that great, but that's okay. It's still beautiful. Look at that beautiful egg extravaganza. Okay, and then, yeah, I had a paper towel right there. We'll do a little bit of sesame seed and then the new magic topping. Oh boy. So often for dinner I make curry. Actually, I'm not gonna, because I'm adding crushed red pepper now in it. Yeah, I'll use the new magic topping on the next one. I think that'll be more fitting to some degree. Look at that. You know, look at that. Oh boy. Yeah, Rotato, do what you do, you know. All right. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Rotato has new batteries in it. It, them, her, sir. I don't know. It rotates. And there'll be more to see on the next episode. Maybe you'll see that new little spranka. All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Ray. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.